Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to quickly download your account statements directly from the BBVA mobile app. First, open the BBVA app and log into your account. Navigate to the main dashboard that shows your accounts. Next, select the specific account for which you need the statement. Once inside the account details, look for an option labeled Statements, Account Documents, or Descargar Estados de Cuenta. Then, you will be able to select the date range for the statement you require, e.g., last month, last 3 months, or a custom range. After that, choose the format, typically PDF. Tap Download or Export. The statement will be generated, and you can then save it to your device or share it via email or other apps. You now have a digital copy of your bank statement for your records, loan applications, or tax purposes. It's that simple. If this tutorial saved you a trip to the bank, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.